Okay, I know. Before you say it's another trading video where this has nothing to do with me, what am I going to do with this? I got an idea. What if you could learn how to do this without risking your own money and be able to profit while you learn? Yes, you have to qualify by hitting the target, but what if I could help you learn how to hit that target? And I'm telling you, these companies pay. I'm telling you they do. So I just have this idea, like intuitive people learning how to trade, like especially if you're in my class and you're interested. I'm telling you, we have some superpowers here that I think we can use. So comment below if you are interested in, like, maybe just like even just a couple of us, like hop on a Zoom or something while I'm trading and I teach you kind of how to how to apply your intuition. Um so for today though, just I time stamped the trades, watch some of the trades. One of them is a real scary one. So definitely it's not always easy, but that's okay, like it's still, to me, it's like if you're not risking your money and you learn how to do this, it's a way better income on the side than getting another job, believe me. Um, so watch, at least scrub the timeline for the timestamps. If you have patience, watch the whole thing. Like, I'm gonna try to edit out like all the slow, boring parts. Um, but I'll put the timestamps in for the trades. And in terms of a side business, I think it's amazing. That's why I won't ever stop. Um, and these funded accounts, you have to qualify by hitting a target, but then once you hit the target, they put you into a simulated account that you actually can earn money from. There are rules, so I'll explain that with you, for whoever wants to do it with me. But comment below if you're interested in learning. There is some capital involved. Obviously, you have to pay for the test to see if you can hit the targets, but compared to the amount of money people spend trying to open businesses, this is nothing. It's like a drop in the bucket. And if you actually do it well, you will not regret it. Promise you. So comment below if you are interested. Test the breakout. Scanning my higher time frames. Kind of like it for a short. Oh, can it hold? Kind of dropped this morning. This is Eastern time, 10:18 Eastern time, so 9:18 Central time. I am in Central time. I'm short. I think I'm gonna take this loss. Unless it flushes here. Oh, it's the opening price. If it can flush through here, short. Um, Just got to break this level. Is it open? Needs to come down through here. Go. Quick, quick, quick. You up? Oh, is that 235? Okay, 231. The way I like to think of it is how long does it take you to make $231 at work? If it gets above this line here, you see this line? I can make it thicker. If it gets above that line, yes, I can change the color. That line. If it gets above that line, let me make it smaller. It's too dark. Then we can talk about, it sounded Canadian there. We can talk about the breakout instead. If it can break through this wall, this line. Just not sure yet. I don't want to trade all day. I just want to trade a little bit and then I have stuff to do. I have to turn in my timesheet for work. Let me check the gain on the mic. I did a live last week and I came in so hot. That the mic gain was way too high. This looks okay though. I think this is okay. Better to be able to turn it up than not be able to turn it down because it's so distorted. Okay, let's see. Look at that. So the proper way to look at this chart is on a 5-minute time frame. That was the original intention. We also I've prepared some screenshots that explain the chart that I look at. The charts. This is a 5-minute. It's just an expansion funnel downwards. Look, right? It's like a bullhorn pointing downwards. But if you look at it on a different time frame, it's kind of like a nice bullish consolidation. If it breaks out here, let me show you what I'm talking about. 4-hour chart. It's a nice right here. It's like a nice bull flag. Here's the flagpole right here. Then it's flagging out, consolidating, and then can just Oof. Go up because look at on the daily chart. Huge bounce off the 233, this red moving average. It was able to break out past the blue moving average, this 21 moving average. Was able to break above that. So this can just shoot for new highs. We'll see though. So on the 1 hour time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour. Let's go back to my decision making. All right, is this a break? I think I'll play. It's hard to go along when you're kind of at the top. I told you it's a little boring. It's a Monday, not the most exciting. So basically, the question is it going to break out above this line? This line right here, where my cursor is? Or did they just trap a bunch of people here? Hmm. What's ground? Moving low. Kind of looks good. I know, I'm just staring at it. Yeah, nice breakup. Hold on. The ideal would then be, if it is a true breakout, wait for it to pull back and retest and then go long. But sometimes you just don't get another chance. And sometimes you just miss it. So you can't really win them all, friends. Sometimes you have to realize that this is the exact trigger for FOMO. And then, you start to realize what your triggers are. Like if this is something that happens, you get mad. That's how you start learning yourself. Mm. It was a settlement price up to I definitely missed this one. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. The pullback may never happen though, don't get me wrong. Okay, so now I'm guessing they're short squeezing a lot of people. So this is target number one. So some trading psychology people have likened good trading to being like a predatory animal that just sits up in the tree and waits for his prey to walk along, unbeknownst to them. So I'm just waiting. And this is a perfect example why you don't want to fall prey to FOMO. Imagine if you would have gotten in here and then it's already coming against you pretty hard. As far as waiting for a better entry point, I'm waiting for it to pull back to this line. Let me click on it. This line. Let me make it thicker. This line. I'm waiting for it to pull back to that line, which is coinciding with the blue moving average. Let me click the blue moving average. So the blue moving average now has circles around it. So as it approaches there, I'm going to see how the price reacts and see if that's an entry point, which would be 628. Hmm. If it breaks this line, if it breaks that line very decisively, then I'm going to go short. That might have been the closest it gets to that line of mine. Let's a little waffly there. Let's try a long. Hmm, let's see. Let's see. What happened? Yeah. Tech glitches here. Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna sweep the eye. Sweep the eye. He. No. You like this. 3 seconds. So weird. Can they pump it? I didn't like that at all. Mm. Really didn't like it at all. It was like 105. Grand total is 333.80. I like those numbers. Ah, should have stayed in, huh? Mm. It was a tough one. Yeah, that would have been a good one. ETA hit 685. Super hard for me to go long again. Long is when you buy, okay? When you start a position by buying, that's long. Short is when you start a position by selling it. My thought process right now is just waiting to see how it holds this line. That's it. That's all I'm thinking. If it holds the line and just keeps like skipping up that line, keeps ramping up, then I think it'll hit at least 685. But if it breaks this line like that, it has to break though. It has to really close below it and like start to flush. Then I would go short. It just has to be a little more decisive. Again, we're looking at a 1 minute chart. Nice. Higher high. Is this the one? This bar has 44 seconds left. Let's see how this closes. It's just hugging that line. I really think it's going to hit uh, 685, like 10 points. Let's just try. Might have to pull the plug. Poop. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. All right, 23 seconds. Come on, push, push, push. Hey, not ideal friends. And now it's getting exciting. No, break through here, break through here. No, bro. Sometimes you have to have balls of steel. My friend, ah, damn it all the fuck. Didn't I say I should have shorted? Shit. Hold on. Hold on. S- s- My thought is it can bounce off this 21 moving average on the 2-minute chart, kind of the 5 also. Let's see. You gotta get past your friend. You gotta get past that 21. Come on. Shit, shit, shit. Pump, pump, pump. There you go. Come on, get above there. Get above there. Yeah, buddy. Come on, get above there. I'm gonna have to take an L. Kind of. Just hold this level. Hold this level. Pump. Come on. Pump, pump, pump. Sh- sh- You gotta get above there, little friend. Giddy up. Giddy up. Where are you, friend? Come on. Go, 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 go. Push. Right. Standard deviation. Push, push, push. There you go. Go, go, go. My friend. Hold. Hold. Pump, pump, pump. Come on. Come on. There you go, partner. Let's go. Pump. RBI. RBI. Get up. Get up there. Go, 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 go. Ooh, ooh, see that? They ripped that. Oh my. Ooh, somebody was waiting there. Pump, pump, pump. It's a tough one, friends. I ain't gonna lie. You stuck up there? I think I'm just gonna take this. I can't take it anymore. Uh, 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 uh. Yes, Lara, Bashma, I don't ash, for shoot, Akash, Hush, Sh, Sh, Hush, Sh, Sh, Ska, Sh, Bash, Sh, Sh. Trap 'em, trap 'em, go, go. Mm, trap, bounce, bounce, go, sh, yeah, sh, squeeze, squeeze, sh, mm, 2, come on, come on. The other that you took out, that she not the other. Get above there. Get above there. No. Trap 'em. Squeeze. Go, go, go. Bump. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Bacon? Really? Um, let's go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Do your shit. Do your shit. Do it. Puff, puff. Out the cold. Shh. 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 Da. Gonna hear about that. Ah, it's stuck. Oh, that was miserable. Well, get this out. No, 685 is probably right there. Fucking miserable. Shit. Okay, I'm at 1350 for the day. No, 1305. Oh, absolutely miserable. But watch it. It's going to hit my target. That was painful. Oh, God. Yeah, there it goes. Oh, jeez. 23 minutes of torture. 1305. Oh, look. 71. How we go? You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking I'm getting the fuck out of here. I was miserable. The reason I stayed was it held this slow moving average on the 2-minute chart. And if you look, I mean, especially right here, it like held it to the tick. Held it to the tick on a retest. Absolutely stressful though. I concur. So yeah, it can't it obviously this is a game they can just whip you around. Oh god, an hour and 6 minutes for 1305. Yes, that was miserable. Not gonna lie. But the whole point again is 1305 for in an hour. That it takes me like what, a whole week to make that? Maybe I exaggerate. What else? Oh god, miserable. Okay. Waiting to see if this holds. So the 1 minute chart, legs live yes. Okay. 2 minute chart. I held the blue moving average, right? So the 21 held. Mhm. Not for the faint of heart, people. Okay, less than a minute on this candle. I really want to see how this closes because the 1 minute is teetering. 30 seconds, 7 seconds. Let's see if this thing pumps. It's going to pump now. That's a tough one. Really have to turn in my timesheet. Oh, I gotta go. There she comes. Feeling my turkey. Eat of them like, yes, I know, conspiracy theories. Trying to convince people there's a breakout, or they're trying to tempt people to short. How do I know? Because I've been watching this a long time. But clearly, people with intuitive abilities and some experience in a given field, if they can tune into it without fear, I think would be epic traders. Think the structure. Oh, I could go either way. Nice bounce sauce that to anyone. Oh, what happened to my hat on the spot? Followed me. I don't know where that thing went. Where were you looking, man? I'm right here. Too funny. What the wow. It held. Phew, what a candle. Held the line to the tick. Impressive. I kinda like it for a lawn. I really do. Here it goes. It's funny, not funny, because 'cause I'm, like, not acting on it, but that was a pretty good lick. What are we doing, kids? What are we doing? Telling you, 15 points from my 685 target. Oof, there it goes. Mm, mhm. There she blows, friend. Remember my target was right there? As it happens, and you fade so much heat, you can't take it. Can't stay in the game when you go this drawdown and you're like, "Ah." I took retest, sweep. I really got turned in my time sheet. Nothing going on here. Kind of lost my enthusiasm. It's a little emotionally taxing, obviously. So you come in fresh, and then when you lose that, like, then it's time to probably stop. Nice. See what happens here. Candle will close in 15 seconds. There we go. 1, 2. Um, Here we go. Come on. Push, push, push. There we go. Ooh. So holy you see that? Oh, what a rip. Whoever was let me make sure I'm flat. Holy shit. I I I okay, here's the rationale why I went short right there. Let me draw the line. I was waiting to I was stalking it basically right here. I As this failed to hit higher, I wanted to see if it held. Here, all right, we're looking at this line. Okay, I'm done trading. So oh my god, that was crazy. We're looking at this line as it tried for new highs. I was, remember my target was up here, like at 685. Um, I rode this down, totally shitting my pants, and then I was able to take profit, followed it down, followed it around. And as it was trying for new highs here, let me do an arrow. Forget it. As it was trying for new highs here and unable to do so, I was wanting to see how it reacted at this line. And because it came down, I wanted to see how it reacted with the blue moving average, this 21. And because it failed, I wanted to see how it would react to this thick line here. And as soon as it flushed through, watched it a little bit and then look out below. I mean, you can't make this shit up. So anyway, that's why I shorted. And basically, like I said, I wait to see if the ping pong of the price stays inside my lines. If it doesn't, then it breaks, and that's what we're looking at. So back again to that FOMO lesson. As we are, hold on, let me do an arrow. There. Change the color. All right. As we are following this line up, it's FOMO, FOMO, FOMO. Ah, I missed it. FOMO, FOMO. And then that's why I said you gotta wait for this to pull back. It pulled back to this line and then boom, it can be long a little bit. And then it broke the line so you can be short a little bit. And then you wait for it to form another line. So that's why there's a lot of waiting. So this line formed, this thick one I mentioned. Here, maybe I'll change the color so people can see it. Yeah, okay, fine. And then this line. So then this line formed. Okay. It held, it held, it held, it held. As soon as it breaks, that's when I make my decisions. But I was really kind of waiting to see if right here, if that would break out higher. But look at this. Oh my God. Look how mean. Here they're coming. They're I'm telling you, it's like a conspiracy theory. But here, let me point this out. Let me make this moving average thicker. You guys probably can't see it. Visibility, style. Where's the thickness? Hey, how do I make it? Oh, wow. It's, let me just make it real thick. Okay. Okay. Make this one thicker too. Okay. There you go. Do you see how it really kind of hugs these moving averages I have? That it responds to these moving averages, and this 233, this red moving average here, it meaning the price responded right there, but that's also where that corresponds to my defining range. I know I gotta do a video here. I'll make a video that explains this defining range. But back to the FOMO, right? So you watch it go up, 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 and then eventually it breaks that line. Does it hold the blue moving average? If it doesn't, you can short it for a little bit. And then same thing when it regains, you can see if it's going to bounce higher. So it did try to reach for new highs right there. But then as it failed to hold the blue moving average and this blue line I've got here, soon as it fails to hold it, boom, look up below. and it just ripped, man. And then so the other two things I look at with respect to these moving averages are if it bounces off of one and then retries the blue one, right? If it bounces off the red, retries the blue, can't get it, you're gonna probably be able to short it a little bit. And a little bit is the key. You're basically well, I'm basically scalping these moves. Sometimes you can get bigger moves, but it's so hard to ride these ups and downs, right? Like all these ups and downs, it's not easy. But boom, when you can take advantage of a flush, what was that last trade? 580 and 52 seconds, two contracts. That's pretty good. You just sometimes you can hold them long and sometimes you can't. This is just my trading style, but all right, let me see what I can show you here. Okay, I'm done trading. Okay, we gotta be done. I gotta turn in my timesheet. So now, um, s- can you see that? Let me try to zoom in. There we go. So now, sorry. So today, 1879, six trades, average trade time 11 minutes, longest trade time, which was that miserable one, 23 minutes. Um, that was in the first recording. Um, one losing trade. But overall, 3 minute trade, 3 minute trade, 23-minute trade, 21-minute trade, 15-minute trade, 52-second trade. What is this? 235, 105, 260. See, you gotta be willing to take a loss sometimes. Anyway, 580 and 52 seconds. That's my favorite kind of trade. So I guess I was forcing things today. Losing trades 360, winning trades 2270, $31 of commissions, 1879. Okay, current balance is 310, 986. I have to get up to 320. So this is what, day 4 of trading, and I'm up, let's just call this 11 grand. I'm halfway to the target in 4 days, and that's good. Exit all positions. Okay. Right. Thanks for watching.